I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, please be seated.
Ya pueden tomar asiento.
All right, and now to introduce our staff member of the month and grade level GLOW team of the month, we have Miss Crawford.
So ahora la Miss Crawford va a presentar el staff que va a ser nuestro Glow y el Scorpion del mes, ¿ok? So ahí les voy a presentar a la Miss Crawford.
Miss Crawford, we can't hear you. Are you able to unmute or no? You should be able to now.
Yes. Hi, everybody. I couldn't unmute. Sorry about that. So our GLOW teacher of the month recently took on a club.
So el maestro o maestra que va a ser nuestro Glow del mes apenas tomó un nuevo club aquí en la escuela.
She teaches 4th grade
En el 4º grado.
and does a phenomenal job. Our GLOW teacher of the month is Miss DeMarco.
Entre trabajo y es la Miss DeMarco.
Yay!
Congratulations. Good job, Miss DeMarco.
That is Miss DeMarco.
All right, and are you ready to find out who the GLOW team of the month is?
Y están listos para enterarse quién es para el equipo del Glow.
This team works very hard at PLC. They look over data, and they're my favorite.
Este equipo trabaja bien duro para todo lo que hacen y dicen que es los favoritos de la Miss Crawford.
The GLOW team of the month is the 2nd grade team. Good job, 2nd grade. Miss Hernandez, Miss Noonan, and myself. Good job, guys.
La Miss Hernandez, la Miss Noonan y la Miss Crawford.
Awesome job, 2nd grade team. Awesome job. Congratulations to Miss DeMarco. And then the 2nd grade team of Miss Hernandez, Miss Noonan, and Miss Crawford.
Yay.
Awesome. All right. Now we are moving on to our Scorpion, Scholar, and GLOW students.
Y ahora vamos a empezar con los niños del Scorpion y Glow.
The following students have shown the following characteristics for the month of January: responsible, respectful, mindful, and cooperative for Scorpion Scholar.
En el mes de enero, los estudiantes han enseñado que son responsables, están respetando, son atentos, son cooperativos y también pues van a enseñar que también están en una buena mentalidad, que son leaders y también que hacen buenas decisiones.
And growth mindset, leadership, ownership, and wise choices for our GLOW students.
Y eso lo que dije era del Glow también.
And now for the January Scorpion Scholars and GLOW students of the month.
Ahora ya vamos a empezar con los del Kinder.
All right, for our kindergarten students in Miss Salinas' class, we have Devin Primos for our Scorpion Scholar. Congratulations. For our GLOW student of the month, we have Isabella Beltran. Congratulations. In Miss Buchanan's class, I see them all there on the carpet. Our Scorpion Scholar goes to Evelyn Cota Hernandez. Congratulations, Evelyn. And for our Glow Student of the Month, we have Melanie Camargo Reyes. Well done. Nice job, Melanie. Congratulations. All right, for Miss Diaz class, look at them sitting there ready. Awesome job, boys and girls. Scorpion Scholar goes to Mia Ruiz. Congratulations. And our Glow Student of the Month is Xavier Tamayo. Congratulations. Awesome job, Xavier. All right, moving on to our fantastic first grade.
Ahora para los del primero,
We have Miss Martinez class, Scorpion Scholar, Ariana Dunn. And our Glow Student of the Month is Ivy Durantes. Well done, guys. For Miss Medina's class, in Miss Medina's class, I see her ready there, Scorpion Scholar, Ana Garcia Flores. Congratulations. And our Glow Student of the Month is Winter Esquivio. Congratulations, Winter. Awesome job. All right, for our star second grade,
ahora para los de segundo grado,
Miss Hernandez class, Scorpion Scholar goes to Malachi Diaz. And our Glow Student of the Month goes to Eliana Erlacher. Congratulations, you guys. Awesome job. Well done, guys. All right, moving on to Miss Crawford's class. Scorpion Scholar goes to Alondra Rios. Awesome job, Alondra. And our Glow Student of the Month is Joseph Cruz. Well done, Joseph. And for Miss Noonan's class, I see them in the library there. Scorpion Scholar goes to Guillermo Fernandez.
Yay.
Awesome job. And our Glow Student of the Month is Deleza Noriz. Awesome job. Well done. And now for our terrific third graders,
ahora para el tercer grado,
Mrs. Arizmendi's class. Scorpion Scholar 2, Giovanni Ibarra. Awesome job, Giovanni. And our Glow Student of the Month is Elenia Garza. Congratulations. Look at her holding her certificate up. Awesome job. All right, from Mrs. Matu's class, Scorpion Scholar goes to Mariah Olivas. Awesome job, Mariah. And our Glow Student of the Month is Ignacio Camacho. Well done. All right, for Mrs. Khan's class, Scorpion Scholar goes to Daniel Garcia. Awesome. Look at him holding up his certificate there. Nice job, Daniel. And our Glow Student of the Month, congratulations, goes to Jacob Lubidersi. Awesome job, Jacob. All right, we have our On Fire fourth grade. For Mrs. Hernandez Gomez class, Scorpion Scholar goes to Haley Lizardi. And our Glow Student of the Month is Ryan Rodriguez. Awesome job, Haley. Awesome job, Ryan. Congratulations. And another Glow Student of the Month goes to Christopher Gonzalez. Congratulations. Wait, did I miss one? Nope, I got it. All right. And then Miss Manino's class, congratulations to Tanak Gomez, our Scorpion Scholar. Congratulations, Tanak. And our Glow Student of the Month goes to Jordan Harris. Congratulations. All right, for Mrs. DeMarco's class, Scorpion Scholar goes to Dominic Souza. Congratulations. And our Glow Student of the Month goes to Julie Renaga. Congratulations, Julie. All right, moving on to our fabulous 5th grade.
Para el 15
Fabulous.
grado.
Sorry, Miss Shyla, I didn't hear you there for a minute.
Oh, no, you're fine.
For Miss Wan's class, Scorpion Scholar goes to Marco Torres. Congratulations, Marco. For our Glow Student of the Month, we have Jose Saldana. Congratulations, Jose. For Miss Johnson's class, Scorpion Scholar goes to Emily Valencia. Congratulations, Emily. And our Glow Student of the Month goes to Sergio Beltran Montero. Well done, Sergio. All right, Mr. Galindo's class. Scorpion Scholar goes to Alejandro Pinto Jimenez. Awesome job. And our Glow Student of the Month goes to Nicole Alvarado Baran. Congratulations. Now we have our stud 6th grade. Here we go, 6th grade. Mrs. Noriega, Miss Rojo's class. Scorpion Scholar goes to Andre Gomez. Congratulations, Andre. For our Glow Student of the Month, we have Esmeralda Ramirez Rubio. Congratulations. For Miss Giovino's class, Scorpion Scholar goes to Michael Bello. There he is. Congratulations, Michael. And for our Glow Student of the Month, we have Ricardo Hernandez. Congratulations, Ricardo. All right, for our star 7th grade, for Miss Vallecillo's class, Scorpion Scholar goes to Arleth Peralta. Congratulations, Arleth. For our Glow Student of the Month, we have Joel Nunez. Congratulations, Joel. All right, going on to Mrs. Garcia's class. Mrs. Garcia's class, Scorpion Scholar goes to Christian Gaspar. Awesome job. And our Glow Student of the Month goes to Enrique Yak. Awesome job. And our Glow Student of the Month is Destiny Zamora. Congratulations, Destiny. All right, in Miss Rosin's class, Scorpion Scholar goes to Ivan Lujano Salgado. Congratulations, Ivan. And our Glow Student of the Month goes to Arce Reinaga Soto. Congratulations. Awesome job. I see you covering up over there. Smile pretty for the camera. All right, now on to our elite 8th graders. For Miss Crawford's class, Scorpion Scholar goes to Natalie Vega. Congratulations, Natalie. And our Glow Student of the Month goes to Angel Toruga. Congratulations. And now for Mrs. Rooprai's class. Scorpion Scholar goes to Isaiah Carrillo. Congratulations, Isaiah. And our Glow Student of the Month goes to Jacqueline Ruiz Castellanos. Congratulations, Jackie. Our Scorpion Scholar goes to David Guzman. David Guzman. For Miss Rhymes class. In Miss Rhymes class, we have Scorpion Scholar going to Stephanie Martinez. Congratulations, Stephanie. For our Glow Student of the Month, we have Aiden Quintero. Congratulations. And for our special area, Library with Miss Ariza goes to Daniel Chavez. Congratulations, Daniel. Glow Student of the Month for Library is Alexander Sebastian. Congratulations, Alexander. For PE with Coach Z, we have Glow Student Carlos Castillium Urias. Congratulations. For Music and Band with Mr. Gutierrez, Scorpion Scholar goes to Luis Valle. Our Glow Student of the Month goes to Dominic Martinez. Congratulations. All right, boys and girls, let's give all of our winners a round of applause.
Vamos a aplaudir.
Congratulations, everyone, and remember to continue to work on your Scorpion Scholar goals and your Glow Student goals. All right, so now to end our Scorpion Scholar Assembly, we have to end with our unity clap. So let's get those hands ready.
Ahora
All
vamos a
right.
acabar con el aplauso de unidad.
All right, everybody ready? All right, everyone, have a wonderful day of teaching and learning. Know that we love you, we are proud of you, and you deserve to be proud of yourselves.
Que tengan un buen día y que la Mrs. dice que los quiere mucho y que se cuiden y que tengan un excelente día. Adiós.
Adios.